this way because we wanted people to see them. People, let's say, for 20 classes of 20 people, it's difficult for them maybe to see the cards the other team has. So
but they're
we
picking them
decided.
in their hands, usually, while playing.
No, they stand it on
Okay,
the.
they're giving a lot of space
Yes,
to put
exactly.
them all down.
Yes. We use, for example, our one of our rooms, one of our INFN rooms.
I really like the big size.
Yes. They also have the microphone, so they can do like NATO or UN. They can speak on the microphone.
Very nice.
Okay.
So we've got the last lecture of today. Here we are with the big snake ladder. So I've got. Let me start. I start the.
Recording in progress.
You can try it. I don't know if it switches on with a Mac.
You understand me?
I will have to sorry. We should go through all the keyboard setup, and I don't know if it would work. But it's just this. Oh, it works. Great. Better than I thought. It will disappear. It will disappear. Yes, it will disappear.
Buongiorno everyone. My name is Maulidan. I'm from Indonesia and I will be giving a presentation about my games project called Designing a Giant Snakes and Ladder Games for Inclusive Astronomy Outreach. But for today, I just bring the small one because it's very heavy to me bring from Indonesia to here. But it's the same instruction for the game. I work as a researcher at the Center for Astronomical Studies, Universitas Ahmad Dahlan, Indonesia. So I will start with the wide astronomy outreach. First, astronomy is a gateway for STEM curiosity, and core astronomy ideas are abstract, special, and often misunderstood, especially for the children or the young age. And the common misconception occur around day-night, moon phase, season, and the Earth-Sun-Moon system. Outreach provides accessible, hands-on, and informal learning experience. In Indonesia, only 34% of students reach level 2 or higher in science PISA 2020. Why we choose a non-digital game-based learning? As we know that this conference about the non-digital games. First is because this game supports face-to-face interaction and also encourage collaboration and communication between the player and promotes hand-on and embodied learning. It also doesn't require internet, a gadget, or electricity. It's just board in the car. And also suitable for school with limited digital infrastructure and easy to reproduce and facilitate in outreach settings. There's several studies about snakes and ladder because it's very popular in Indonesia. It's very common. The first study is about science learning outcomes. It showed that there's a increased number from 16 to 72, and it's also increased mathematics learning outcomes. The increased number from 47, 67 to 80%. It's also improved the student activity and engagement. Smart snake ladder media improve. Also improve teacher activity and also improve the learning outcomes. The games, the snakes and ladders astronomy games, it's actually already made by the UNEWI or the community called Uni for Awareness, but there's no interactive card like I made. It's also used as space and image and astronomy facts, but it just focus on board-based facts and movement. So it makes different with my project. This is my research gaps. I improved the interactive cards, and also I made the giant physical place so the player can step into the snakes and ladders board. It's also inclusive participation. So I also improved some features in the board, so the people with a special ability also can play. It's also there's a astronomy misconception correction. Yeah, this is the gap and innovation like I thought before. Just skip to the next. So the project objective or my game's objective is to introduce a basic astronomy for young children, for young age. It's also participation. It's encourage active student participation. It's also support inclusive learning experience, and also integrated learning. It's combine movement, visuals, discussion, and also scientific literacy. So this is the game that I'm at. So this is the example, the small version. I'm at a 36 board, but usually the snake and ladder contains 100 boards, but I'm at a bit small number because it's takes a long time because there's the special card, and it's also the different from the snakes. I changed the snake to the rocket. So rocket means that they moving up or moving upwards, and for the snakes or the moving down, I changed to the with the meteor. So the meteors means people go down if they step into the meteor. And there's also interactive cards, and there's also a cosmic fact. So when the people step into the rocket, they go move upwards. There also read about the cosmic fact. So this is the game components that I actually print. This is the giant version that people can step in. This is the dice. So I made with a tactile pattern. So the inclusive people like the blind people can feel the number. I made 5 different cards. The first one is a booster card. The booster card is like a bonus card that when the players can answers correct, they can go forward 2 steps. There's also another version of the booster card, but I call it observation card. The difference between the booster card and the observation card is just the type of the question. For the observation card, I put the image of astronomy, so the player will guess what is the name of the object. And the team mission card is for the mission that all player can do together. So they have some special mission about astronomy. When they do a correct way, they will moving upwards together. And for the punishment, there's a black hole type card. If they correct is if the answer is wrong, they will moving back to the before stage. And like I said before, that when they upwards with the rocket, they will read some cosmic facts, like the fact about the sun, the stars, and anything about astronomy. So this is the rules of the game. It's just like basic snakes and ladders. You just throw the dice. You just roll the dice. It also brings the small dice. So people just rolling in, and they start a move to the column. When they land on the column that has special mission like observation card, the observation card, they will choose the observation card and then try to answer the question. If they answer is correct, they can move upwards for 2 steps. But if the answer is wrong, they will stay at the same place. There's also a rocket as the ladder, so they can move faster using the rocket. It's also a meteor, and if the players move up through the rocket, they reach the cosmic pack. And to win the game, players must reach a finish with the exact number, which is 36. So this is the 5 different of the interactive cards. The booster card is just basic astronomy question, like I use here. What's the name of the planet where we live? The observation card is just different question. The observation card it's contain an image inside of the card, so it's allow participant or players give their experience how the astronomers work. Say so the astronomers usually doing observation using the telescope. The players also do the same thing, but using the image from the card. There's also a team measured card that all the player can work together for the points. If they are doing in the right way, they all can move 2 boxes. But if they are doing a wrong way, they will stay at the same place. The black hole trap card is the question is about just true or false. So there's not a difficult question. It's just true or false about the astronomic facts. Like the sun goes around the Earth, it's a false. If the player answers true, but they will move back. But if the answer is true, they will stay in place. And also the cosmic fact. The next is inclusive design features, so the games can be played in groups. It's also include both active and shy children. They can do the movement and different roles. There's a reader, observer, mover, and also responder. Not all activities are physical. They also, if they want to play, they can with the tabletop version. They don't need to stand up for a long time. They just sit down and play on the table. I made the design with a clear colors, icon, and text. I also designed the dice with rice dots or rice number markers, so people with special abilities can feel it. And also the board that I made support tight tiles border to help visually impaired participants fields and identify the field position. So this is the documentation about my game at my observatory. But in the image that there's only one children. The other one is my friend because there's no children visiting observatory last week, so I can apply the game for them. So I just need help for my friends to do the documentation. So the observed learning potential students were more active and enthusiastic. Discussion emerged naturally among participants. Astronomy concepts were easier to connect with movement and visual cues. Misconception could be addressed through the cards. Long gameplay may reduce engagement when players doesn't reach the finish. A facilitator is needed to verify answers and guide concept correction. So some of the statement that I made is based on the analysis that, and also discussed with my team. For now, if we want to play the game, the snake and ladders, we need a facilitator for the guide, because if the children play by themselves, they can they don't know what is the correct answer if they don't know. So I have two option for the problem. First one is for the play this game, it needs a facilitator. But if they want play by themselves, I can design a card with the answers, but maybe I put it small, or maybe I just need some tape that if they can answer, they can see the answer behind the card. The another problem is the limitation of time. So if I don't know it's wrong or not, but if the children play with very long time, it would maybe will make they bored, or they fed up. So the rules of the games is can the winner of the game can be the one who reach the finish. It's also the one who reach faster than the others. So it can be use the time, maybe 30 minutes for one game. So the players who reach the farthest column, they will win. Yeah, this is the reflection and future development. So the reflection maybe for my next project will do a teacher validation. Maybe I have to go to school for apply this game, and maybe make some analysis, and also a science literacy effectiveness testing for the future development. Multi-level development for elementary school, middle school, and also high school. For now, I just made for the elementary school, because the question about the astronomy is very basic. It's just the name of the object, it's just how the objects works. But for the future, maybe I have to make another version, maybe for the university students. The question is more advanced. Now also design a tabletop, and also the giant version, and adaptation for students with different inclusion needs. So for now, I just made for the features inclusion just for the blind people, but I don't know what about the different special ability. Answer key card designed to support independent play without a facilitator, and also for the refinement of rules and play duration. So yeah, that's it from me. Maybe if you guys have any question and also the suggestion, I'm very welcome to yeah for the future development of this game. Thank you very much. Do you guys have
Out of curiosity, have you gotten any feedback directly from the kids? Or do they?
feedback?
Yeah, even
Actually,
just while they're playing.
yeah. For now, we don't have any feedback from the player because it's just finished. The game just finished last week, so maybe in the next I will apply the game for the students in the different level and give feedback from them for the future development of the games.
Congratulations on finishing. Congratulations on finishing them.
How big is the giant board?
See, this is my question also. Why it need to be too big?
Okay, for the now person it's 4 meters.
4 meters.
4 meters. So it's the children can fit into the column.
Mhm.
So they can
Hop.
Yeah.
Regarding the card that you were saying, yeah, yeah, the answer. The issue is if okay, you say the answer, then if it's not correct, then the answer. So that's the problem of having something that. So how you think you're going to fix that and solve that?
That's the problem. Right?
Yeah, the
How
and so you could avoid to have the facilitator.
yeah, for now, the for the game is most they must be the facilitator that
Yes.
can verify if the answer correct or no, because yeah the maybe the question is not very basic, maybe some children doesn't know the answer. That's why there must be a facilitator. The facilitator can be explain more, not just answer like what's the name of the host planet. The answer is just Venus, right? But the facilitator can explain to the children why the
Yes.
Venus is the host planet, why not Mercurius. So that's why for now the best way to game is there must facilitator.
How many children will be playing at the same time?
I think 3 to 5 children it's okay, but the minimum number of 2 children is also okay. But the maximum I think just 5 because it's just space not very big.
Chaotic.
You simulate a neutron star.
In the same like in the same column 4 people is not enough, right? That's why maybe have to limit the number of the participants. Anyone? Stop the recording.
Recording stopped.
Okay. I think that's enough from
Oh.
me. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone.
Yes.
I think we may close for today, and see you tomorrow morning.
Yes, see you tomorrow morning.
tomorrow we will also have the
Yes, we'll
great
have